Can't honestly say when I get whoop, that's not good. Line come off. Today's episode, we are going to play with the Komatsu mini excavator, and we're going to go over to the pond and pull some small trees that have been growing in the berm. So follow along as you ride shotgun with me, and you'll get the exact same view as I do. It'll be as if you're operating the excavator yourself. Come out like butter in this thing, but if I didn't have the thumb on it, it wouldn't. We don't need that rock in there. Now roll back down in there, buddy. We can reach this one while we're here. Looks like it. You don't keep after these things every year. Gotta get some of that root ball off. To the next one. And they don't always come out. There we go. We got most of the dirt off that one. Boy, if you had smell-o-vision, you'd smell them cedars, boy. Well, this one's going to be cantankerous. Get on that stem. Nope. Well, we'll get it. It's just a matter of how much dirt's coming with it. I think we got a load off. We don't want that root in there. It'll start growing right back. All right, this is a little bit bigger. It'll probably pull out a little bit easier. We can only hope. We've got to get it pinched just right. And I'm not getting it just right. There we go. Got it in there. just pulled it instead of lifting it. Well, that one broke. It's okay. Anything on it. Funny how some of them do and some of them don't. I get down close, but like I say here, I can't really see. I can't honestly say when I get. Whoop, that's not good. Line come off. Well, remember that line that came off? Well, we pinched it. I tried to put it back on before I noticed it. And if you notice right there, I messed up the coupling also. What a way to go. That coupling's probably about 80 bucks and the hose is probably 60, if not more nowadays. So I guess the next thing we'll do, we're gonna leave this hanging for now. As long as I don't use the thumb, it won't leak any oil, or not much. So I might have another one of them couplers. Let me go check. It's been a couple days and we got our new hose. Remember when I said that the coupling was probably 80 bucks? I was wrong. It was only 40. But this little bit of hose, probably 32 inches or so, was $85. $144 for this. Can't afford to break too many of them. Well, let's get it back on. And now that we've got the new hose put on, let's see if the thumb works. I don't see anything spraying. I think we got her fixed. Well, that's gonna do it for this one, guys. I appreciate you hanging in there and watching it all the way to the end. And thanks for subscribing. If you haven't already, please do. There'll be more excavation videos, tree removal, and car content coming soon. So please like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you next time on the Lone Wrench Garage.